Here we are at the end of our 5 days of EMA International number 45. At our web TV studios, we have Simona Rapastella, the general manager, and Riccardo Malavolti, the president of Federuna Coma. Of course, we're all tired. It's been 5 very, very challenging days. What can we say? Yes, it's been an extraordinary, exciting edition beyond our expectations. I made some forecasts at the press conference and I mentioned 300,000 visitors, which would have been an extraordinary result. But I think we have actually passed that amazing result, that amazing turnout. We're very happy. This trade fair has confirmed to be a leading event all over the world. We mentioned Naval of the World in Bologna. So, President, an amazing technological exhibition. Yes, so many innovations, many exhibitors presenting high-tech products, agriculture 4.0, robotics, drones, and many smaller innovations, mechanics, electro-hydraulics. Our manufacturers are extremely vital, very active, especially specialized agriculture, and we're the leaders in Italy in this area. They're doing very, very well, and productivity can be improved. So, what about the new minister? How did it go? The meeting, things look quite encouraging. I saw him quite motivative and proactive. Yes, we were very, very happy. He accepted our invitation and showed a lot of interest for our sector. We started discussing a number of very, very important themes for our sector. The National Resilience and Recovery Plan, extremely important issues at a European level, so I'm sure we can work together very well in the future. Yes, I was really impressed by all the questions he asked. He's an extremely curious person. We spent 3 hours together, talked about a lot of topics, about agriculture in general and agricultural machinery, technological innovation, carbon neutrality, innovation, use of pesticides, approach to Europe. So I didn't expect such a prepared minister just after a few weeks. Thank you. One final question, one for the President and one from the General Manager. We've read it in many different ways. The world population's increasing, so we need to produce more and better. Yes, absolutely. 8.6 billion by 2031. We have to feed 800 million people more. The food requirements increasing by 17% in terms of meat and grains. The number of hectares that can be cultivated is always the same, so we need to work on yield per hectare, and we can do that by improving the technological input in 3 different ways. Number 1, agricultural machinery and new technology. Secondly, introduction of new techniques and new and advanced and less impacting chemicals. And third point, new technologies to increase crop resistance to climate change and weather phenomena. Yes, the climate change, so crops that are more resistant to the lack of water. Simona, and let's keep our fingers crossed as we did before the exhibition when talking about potential turnout. So the EMA International will be held every 2 years. Right, we are back to our usual calendar, November 6th to the 10th, 2024. We have 2 years' time to think and imagine another great EMA, and we'll do so full of pride and happiness seeing the results of this edition. So thank you to our President Alessandro Malavolti and to the General Manager Simona Rapastella. This is the end of AIMA International number 45. See you back in 2024.